Have you ever wanted to learn a language that is fully made of dots and dashes? You are at the perfect place. So in this video, I am going to show you how I learned Morse under 10 minutes and you can too. Hello everyone, welcome to Graphic Planet. I am your host Thuina Kundu and today's video is going to be very special because in this video, you will learn the Morse code. Okay? So before I jump into the video, first watch this famous video. So A will be written as a dot and then we have a dash. B a dash and we have two dots. Dash dot dash dot. Dash and dots. In B we have three dots. In E we have only one dot. F has two dots, a dash and then another dot. G has two dash and a single dot. H has four dots. I has only two dots. J has a dot and three dash. K has a dash, then a dot, then another dash. L has a dot, a dash and two dots. M has two dash. N has a dash and then we have a dot. O has three dash. P has a dot, two dash and then another dot. Q has two dash, a dot and then another dash. R has a dot, dash, another dot. S has three dots. T has only a dash. U has two dots and one dash. V has three dots and a dash. W has a dot, two dash. X has a dash, two dots and another dash. Y has dash dot dash dash. Z has two dash and two dots. Now let's move on to the numbers. So 1 will be written. 1 minute, let me fix the camera first. Okay. So when it comes to the point of numbers, then you have 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And you just have to fill these places with dots and dash. So 1 will be written like a single dot and fill the other places with dash. 2 has two dots and 3 dash. 3 has 3 dots and 2 dash. 4 has 4 dots and 1 dash. 5 has 5 dots. Now 6 has totally opposite of this. 6 has 1 dash and fill the other places with dots. 7 has 2 dash and 3 dots. 8 has 3 dash and 2 dots. 9 has 4 dash and 1 dot. 0 has 5 dash. So that was all.